my crafty friends. It's Miss Mesha from the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library. If you would like to know how I made this DIY Harry Potter fabric plant pot, stay tuned. For this craft, you would need a clay pot. I have the one that has the saucer already attached to it, but you can get the clay pot with the saucer not attached. I got this from Walmart. Fabric, any fabric you like. I love Harry Potter, so I got Harry Potter. You will need a marker or a pen, whichever you prefer. Some scissors, a plant, paintbrush, Mod Podge, and wax paper, just to cut down on the mess. So now I have my fabric spread out. Be sure to have the back facing up, so when you trace around the pot, you don't have a line on your fabric that's going to show. Okay? So I marked where I'm going to start. Put a little marker mark right there. And then I'm going to put that mark down here, and then I'm going to trace. While I'm tracing, I'm going to move the pot until the mark is on the other side. We're going to use our scissors to cut out the pattern. So I got my fabric cut out, but I realized that a ruler or a tape measure would be easier to use. So all you would have to do is, since this is a 6-inch pot, all you have to do is measure out 2 extra inches on the top, 2 extra inches on the bottom, and if you have a tape measure, measure the circumference. But I'm done. So now you just shake up our Mod Podge. And just paint the Mod Podge on the back of our fabric so it can stick onto the pot. Make sure you smooth it out. Tuck it in. Keep rolling. Roll and tuck. Now that our pot is dry, we can add our flowers. And voila, your very own decoupage flower pot.